Stop what you're doing and hurry down to Washington, D.C. for unprecedented deals. It's the U.S. government's going out of business sale. Exclusive government positions can be yours for prices so insane they're nauseating. Become the Secretary of Education for only $200 million. No government experience required. Ever wanted your hands on Russian oil? Become the Secretary of State and get all the oil you can dream of. Was your company hit hard after the recession because you were the one that caused it? Turn the tables and become the Secretary of the Treasury. Racist? That's OKKK with us. Become the Attorney General. You haven't seen deals like this since 1930s Germany. Guns, guns, guns for the mentally ill. No background checks required. We're breaking all our own rules and our values are flying out the windows. Get your hands on the world's most powerful nation for zero down, zero interest, and zero checks and balances. These deals won't last long, and neither will our country. Call now. Republican senators are standing by to accept your unsolicited campaign contributions. Or visit the U.S. government on the web at www.breitbart.com.